Hong Kong will be ushering in the Year of the Monkey in grand style, with 23,888 pyrotechnic shells being fired from 3 barges during the Lunar New Year fireworks display on February 9th. Starting at 8 p.m, the 23-minute fireworks extravaganza over Victoria Harbour will feature 8 scenes. Its highlights will include fireworks in the shape of smiling monkey faces, as well as multicoloured spheres illustrating the show's theme, Appreciate Hong Kong, Sparkle with Love and Care. The show's sponsor, the Chinese Manufacturers Association of Hong Kong, will also host a dinner reception at the Convention and Exhibition Centre. It has invited 1,000 people from underprivileged families and minority groups to join the reception and enjoy the fireworks display with government officials.